Welcome to Pelagia, a masterpiece of modern grandeur at Marjan Island. A true architectural gem that redefines the essence of luxury living. With striking design, breathtaking panoramic views, and sweeping balconies that mimic the graceful flow of ocean waves, Pelagia stands as a masterpiece in motion, embodying both elegance and vitality. Step inside a world of unparalleled opulence, where every detail has been thoughtfully crafted to captivate the senses. Pelagia offers a range of spacious, fully furnished 1 to 4 bedroom residences. Each designed to offer sophisticated comfort and timeless elegance, where a few premium units even boast private plunge pools, taking your living experience to extraordinary heights. Every aspect of Pelagia is tailored to meet the needs of every member of your family, blending ease and refinement into your everyday life. Enjoy access to world-class amenities including rooftop infinity pool, scenic rooftop pool bar, and expansive panoramic terraces that offer stunning views at every turn. For the little ones, there are dedicated indoor and outdoor kids' play areas and a kids' pool featuring an exciting splash pad. For those seeking wellness and relaxation, in the state-of-the-art upscale gymnasium, yoga and meditation spaces provide the perfect sanctuary. Your luxurious home also offers an intimate jacuzzi, as well as rejuvenating steam and sauna rooms, ensuring the ultimate in relaxation. Located at the crossroads of 2 major roads, Pelagia is just moments away from the iconic Wynn resort, world-class attractions, and all the essential services you need. More than just a home, Pelagia represents an exceptional investment opportunity, offering both a refined lifestyle and lasting value. Pelagia, your serene paradise,